Remember, I have been doing this for 20 years. So I'm going to start with, if you're an employee and you're looking for a mentor, let's start there. So for me, mentoring is a tool that I can use to accelerate my learning curve. An interactive sounding board, right? Someone that has been there or close to there that I can just test ideas against. And so if I'm looking for somebody to be a mentor, I need someone that's been kind of in my space, either as a manager or technology-wise in my space. I'd like to find someone that's a good listener, right? So it's not one of those, always telling me what to do. I would suggest that anyone that is above an entry-level position, they have the ability to be a mentor. Now, maybe it's not a 10-year mentorship, maybe it's not, even 5 years, but they have the ability to mentor without a doubt. A good non-judgmental mentor will say things like, "Have you thought about? It's your career to manage. Here's how I thought about that once," right? But it's the employees. And then lastly, they have to be incredibly confidential, because you want to be able to share something that is, think about it. You spend 8, 9, 10 hours a day in your career, and you don't want a flippant mentor to break a confidence. Now, of course, I get the question, I don't have a mentor. Am I going to be successful? Of course, you can be successful without a mentor. Many women have been. But does it help you up your learning curve? Without a doubt. Without a doubt. First of all, identify what your mentoring program objectives are. Teach your mentors how to be mentors. And then experiment, experiment, experiment. That I think will last until 2 a.m., right? And so it's like, I'm going to have to make sure I set my alarm for tomorrow morning.